Adobe Premiere Pro, export the markers. Drop a like if this helps, let's go. Start building passive income skills, click the link down below. Simply put, if you want to export markers on your video timeline, click M on the keyboard, see how it's going to add a marker. You can even double click and change the color of your choice. And let's say we add one right here. Simply put, click on the marker on your video timeline. Click right here if you want to add a marker. And let's say you want to export this or even change the color, you have to double tap. If you want to export the marker, click on your marker. As you can see, we want to export this part to here or left to right. And then now you're going to add a cut if you would like. As you can see here, make sure that this is enabled so it's going to snap to the track magnet. And now create an in point. I'll put keyboard shortcuts and then create an out point. So now if you export this or access the export settings, Ctrl+M, you can now successfully export the free marker in Adobe Premiere Pro CC